to, before the video begins, please make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, turn on the post notifications, that way you never miss a video.
Alright, good afternoon folks. It's Sunday, May the 19th at 4:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is Thomas from G-Trade. Just wanted to go over a real quick video regarding some of our stats. As you know, we have a signal group here at G-Trade, and just want to go real quick stats. I'm going to make this video very short. Just kind of prove a point how well this our signal group is doing. I put this in a Microsoft Word document, so I'm going to just scroll down slowly so you can see some of our stats. As of May the 12th through the 17th, we went 15 and 5. And you can see that on your screen. And then, of course, May the 5th through the 10th, we went 13 and 1. See that right there. And then April the 28th through May the 3rd, we went 8 and 2. And then on April the 21st through the 26th, we went 13 and 4. And then April the 14th through the 19th, we went 8 and 2. April the 7th through the 12th, we went 11 and 3. And then March the 31st through April the 5th, we went 13 and 6. March the 24th through March the 29th, we went 14 and 2. And then March the 17th through the March the 22nd, we went 15 and 0. March the 10th through the 15th, we went 14 and 7. And then March the 3rd through March the 8th, we went 13 and 4. Now, if you total up all those wins and losses from the beginning of March until where we are at presently, we got 137 wins, 36 losses. Now here's some figures that I did. Typically when we send out our signals, we're telling folks to jump out with between $15 and $20 of profit when they're on the trade. So from the beginning of March until presently, having taken signals with G-Trade, 137 wins times $15 profit. And I'm just saying this is doing one trade, one contract on trade on Nadex. We're talking about $2,055 and 36 losses. Now I know on Nadex you can't set a stop loss. Gosh, I wish you could, so that way you don't have to sit and monitor the thing so much. But I mean, I don't know what type of trader you are, but I like to sit and monitor mine. I don't kind of like to set and forget it. But that's the type of trader I am. I don't know what type of trader you are. But typically when I enter a trade, I kind of have a $30 mental, I call it a mental stop loss. Meaning that if I'm in the trade and the trade goes sideways, once I'm down $30, I typically just go ahead and cut my losses and regroup and look for the next trade. Again, I don't know what your trade risk aversion is. You know, you may want to just try to hold out. But again, that's whatever type of trader you are, that's the type of trader you are, according to your risk level. Again, but I think for good risk management, $30, like I said, quote unquote, mental stop loss is good money management. Like I said, some people, you may want to go lower than that. If you feel like you're $25 down on the trade, you just want to cut loss. Or if you're $20 down on the trade, you want to cut loss. But again, that's all according to you and how your trading style is. But with these 36 losses, having a quote unquote again mental stop loss at $30, been down $1,080. Still, overall, from the beginning of March to now, your overall profit, if you had good money management, yeah, you'd be at $975 right now. Now, with 137 wins and 36 losses, right now our win percentage is at 79.19%. Now, that I would say that's great. Typically, most individuals that are really good traders and have been trading for a while, my understanding and talking to some great traders, if you're winning about 68% of your trades, that's considered great. Particularly if you have good money management. If you're winning 68% of your trades, that's considered to be a successful trader. Like I said, with our signals right now, presently we're at 79.19%. So I think that is great. And again, like I said, we're looking, to continue our success with G-Trade. I would, highly recommend that, hey, if you're looking for a great signal service, hop on board. It's $100 a month. The cost is effective, and it's great. And we do our best to put out high quality signals. So again, if you're on the fence and you're considering as to whether or not to pick a good signal service, I say jump on board with G-Trade and let's rock and roll and let's get this money. I wish you guys the best of luck in your trading this week, and I wish you guys many blessings. Thank you for taking the time out for watching this video. Again, really appreciate everything you guys do.